Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Montego Bay, Jamaica. So on the right is the airport. Actually, directly to the right is the JDF military base. On the left is Flankers. A very large community. Sometimes you hear it a lot. It's a volatile community sometimes. But right across the road from it is the new JDF base in Montego Bay. They're actually setting up, I think it's another regiment, like an army basically, in Montego Bay, and that is the facility that they're using. But beside the army base, or behind it, is the airport, the Sangster International Airport. So we are driving into the town center of Montego Bay now, and we're on the Northern Coastal Highway. And this is a highway that runs along the entire north coast of Jamaica. And actually, this is the only part of the highway that is 4 lanes at this time. This road is going to be expanded from Montego Bay all the way to Ocho Rios will be 4 lanes. But this section that takes you into Montego Bay is already 4 lanes. So as we go up, we're going to drive by the Sangster International Airport, and that's the main airport for Montego Bay and also for the western part of the island. Actually, it's the only airport in the western part of the island. But it's the largest airport in Jamaica and also the busiest airport. And you can see all these cars and buses, the Jutas, they're actually going to the airport. They have a designated parking lot where persons can get these buses and taxis. Now, Montego Bay is the #1 tourist destination in Jamaica. Hundreds of hotels. The only place in Jamaica that's visited as much is probably Ocho Rios and Negril. But Montego Bay is the #1 tourist spot in Jamaica. Are you going to see the sign, "Welcome to Montego Bay" on the right? Some maintenance work going on the right. Alright, police are working very hard this Christmas. We were going to take a tour through the airport, but the traffic has backed up to the road, so we're not going to do that tour now. But we have a lot of videos up taking the tour of Sangster International Airport. So we're now on Sunset Strip heading towards the Hip Strip, and the Hip Strip is the main tourist road, you could say, or strip in Montego Bay. It's where you have all the entertainment, all the shops, the bars, restaurants. So straight ahead is a hip strip. And there is some serious traffic. So the hip strip, the correct name is Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. It's named after the reggae icon Jimmy Cliff, but it's referred to also, the official name is Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, but persons often refer to it as the hip strip. And the government actually announced that they're going to be spending up to $1 billion to upgrade and improve this strip. They want it to be the #1 hip strip in the English speaking Caribbean. No details have been given as to the specifics, but we'll keep you guys updated. This is where you're going to find a lot of hotels now, restaurants, bars. Starbucks is on this strip. Margaritaville is on this strip. A lot of other tourist stores are on this strip. And they also have security that literally stay only on the strip to ensure that persons are not harassed or interfered with. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.